All right, so real quickly today, let's go over how to upload a pattern to PatternKeeper. First, this is on my Amazon Fire tablet. I'm going to click on the PatternKeeper icon, and once the program opens, let's see here. Okay, so once the program opens, hit the blue plus sign in the bottom right corner and click on PDF file. I already have my file saved to my Google Drive, and so I'm just going to click on the top left and select my Google Drive and select the proper folder that it's in. Click on the PDF file that I want to open up, and then PatternKeeper is going to start processing all of the pages, reading the symbols, and once it's done with that, it will show you the green check mark and tap that you want to verify the chart. I don't really look over anything. These charts are coming from Heaven Earth Designs, and they're usually pretty good when they come over to PatternKeeper. And there you are, you're set and ready to go. Let me show you some of the settings that I like. When you click on settings, I like to change the time that it resets the daily stitching from 4 in the morning, which it starts off at, and I change that to midnight. I also go into settings and change all of these that currently have no shortcut, and I choose a shortcut. This one I choose to park my thread in the lower left corner, which is my preferred parking. And once I'm done with that, that's all. You're ready to go with PatternKeeper.